Okay, I'm at the MB warehouse here in Seattle off Rainier Avenue South. You got Burger King that's on the other side of those hedge bushes. And this is 2nd Avenue South and Hill Street. You see there's construction going on here with XL Pacific now. Here's the warehouse we're working inside of for staging. If we get here early enough, we can use this area for parking. We can use this area for parking too. We just got to give a heads up to these guys that we would be here and we would need some space. We'd also want to tell them to not park inside the chain link fence. If we do that, then we can actually use this whole inside area for staging, because there's a gate on the north end and a gate on the south end. Okay, so if we just say to close off this parking lot, we can use it also for staging. So we'll probably need it with all the stuff that needs to go on. Okay, so the objective here is to take the slope of this that goes down and up, and we need to make this a gradual slope so they're not scraping their bumpers as they come down this hill and go up into the ramp. All right. Okay, so removal. We'll start off with the removal of the concrete. We're gonna do a saw cut, nice straight line across from the face of this bollard, which is the curbing, straight across. That's 18 feet by 3 feet. Removal of 4 inches of concrete. Then from here at the asphalt, we're gonna go up the hill 13 feet where my wheel sits. That's 13 by 18. Complete removal. And this is 3 inches of asphalt that we would remove. Okay? Then draw imaginary line out here, 13 feet. Okay? I'm going to come over 3 feet, go 3 feet plus 27 feet, and we're going to remove complete removal of this asphalt coming straight off of where we did a saw cut here, 3 foot this direction, and go 27 feet this way, which takes you all the way to this concrete wall and right on the edge of the concrete here. Okay, so we'll take all that out, remove. That's going to be 3 inches of removal in this area too. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to put back asphalt. This area right here is going to be for asphalt transition. This area right here where my wheel is, we're going to gradually take this slope here and decrease that slope a little bit so that it's a little more gradual. All right, so what we'll do is we'll end up putting back 13 plus 3, so that's 16 by 18 feet of asphalt, and we will go with 4 inches, or excuse me, 7 inches. 7 inches here to put back, because we'll be ripping out the 3 inches that are here, and we'll need to go 3 inches plus an additional 4. So 7-inch depth here. All right, that's a 16 by 18 asphalt. That means we're gonna gradually decrease this slope and stop right here at the face of that curb. That's gonna tie right into the concrete. Then out here on this 27 by 3, we've got asphalt transition, and we're assuming, I think, 4 inches. 4 inches on the transition. It's actually 3 inches plus.
Yeah, it'll be 3 inches plus 4 inches, so 7 inches.
So we'll do another 7 inches here on placement on this 27 by 3. Okay, we need to make sure we keep the flow away from this concrete ramp over here, that we have it going in this direction, and we continue the flow of water down to that only catch basin that's in here right now. You can see the staining of all the dirty water flows in this direction. So we want to make sure that we keep the water coming in this direction, which right now it's at a very gradual slope, like under 1%. Get it to flow this direction, make sure that water is continuing to flow away from the building and down that way. There's that north gate. There's the south gate. Okay. I think that's it. Any other questions? Let me know, but they want to get this thing fixed here pretty soon.